Guys, have you been throwing your banana peels away? Hey, so many people do not know that they can use banana peels for hair growth. God has blessed us with so many things that are beneficial for our body and our hair. The thing is that a lot of people just do not know. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to make this banana peel hair growth spray, and I will also be teaching you exactly how you should use it to be able to see maximum results. I always tell you, do not make the mistake of using DIY recipes the wrong way. Don't do that. That is why you should stick to the end of this video. So guys, the first thing we will be doing is to get our banana. Yes, a lot of people love banana, a lot of people eat banana. Banana is one of my favorite fruits. So guys, I will be making use of 2 bananas. Yes, just 2 of the banana will be okay for me. So you just go ahead to peel off the back, and of course I will be eating the fruit inside of it because it's the peel we will be making use of. This is actually a very small batch. Take note, so if you are making a bigger batch, you may have to double the size of the ingredients that I am mentioning. Yes, if you want a bigger batch, please double. So I will go ahead to wash the peel, the banana peel. Really important. I just got this banana and then I could see the dirt on the back. If you check the water, you will observe that it is actually dirty. Yes, so you can go ahead to rinse this 2 times. I rinsed mine 2 times to be sure that every dirt is out of this banana peel. I wouldn't want to work with dirt, please. So we'll move ahead to cut this into smaller pieces. And then guys, it will be wrong of me to make this recipe and not tell you the benefits. No, it will be wrong. So guys, banana peels offer excellent benefits for your hair. They are packed with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that protect against oxidative stress. Yes, while their potassium and magnesium content nourishes the scalp to reduce hair fall. That is really amazing. Really amazing, guys. Once you can take care of hair fall, once you can crop out hair fall, just know that your hair is going to thrive beautifully. Guys, together all these nutrients strengthen the follicles and naturally promote a healthier and softer hair. Guys, it strengthens the hair shaft, prevent breakage and promote healthier scalp. That is really amazing. Once your scalp is healthy and your strands are strengthened, just know that you are covered. So I'll just go ahead to add in rosemary. You can just add in your favorite herb. One of my favorite herb is rosemary, and you know that rosemary is that girl. Yes, rosemary is amazing for hair growth. I will just go ahead to put this all into a clean pot and add in 2 cups of water. And then for the rosemary, it was just 1 teaspoon of rosemary. Yes, I'll just bring this to a boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Allow it cool down, then you sieve properly. And right now I'll show you how to use. So right now I'll be showing you all how to use this. I moisturized my hair 3 days back and it still feels so moisturized. But just because of the sake of this video, I'll be showing you how to use this as a leave-in spray. Yes, and this hair is really shrinked up right now because it is still moisturized. It is still a bit well moisturized. So guys, let's get right into it. I will be spraying this all over my scalp and also my hair. If you want to use this as a tea rinse, you can, but then this is perfect for a leave-in spray. If you've been looking for the perfect leave-in spray, DIY leave-in spray, This is good, and trust me, the scent is so nice. For people that run away from um onion juice leave-in spray, please go for this. This is banana rosemary. This is so good. The scent, apart from the scent, it is packed with so many amazing benefits. When I found out about this banana peel leave-in spray, I was like, oh, maybe this is going to be part of my favorites. And trust me, from the scent already and from the benefits, I am loving it already. After reading about the benefits, I'm loving it already. And I guess I'll stick with this for a while. And please, I want you to try this and also come back with your review. Please do well to come back with your review. Guys, please just make your hair damp. Don't make your hair wet. And as you can see, I made a little badge. I do not make any DIY that I will keep in my fridge. No, I don't like it. I don't like doing that at all. But if you want to store this, let's say you cannot make this every single time you want to use, just keep it for just a week. I advise people to keep it for like 3 days. 3 days, but then some people complain that okay, they cannot be making this every single time. You can just keep this for a week. Make a fresh batch after every week, and that is fine. Please don't overdo it. So after this is perfect. I'll just go ahead to massage my scalp. I'll massage this into my scalp and my hair. And trust me, if you want to learn how to moisturize your hair properly, this is a good video for you. Just stick, because stick to the end. We are not just going to keep this on our hair like this and just leave it. No, please don't ever try that at all. Your hair will get dried up. So this is the reason why I'm showing you the right way of using this. I can just easily make the recipe and give it to you and just not show you how to use it, but I don't do that here. So some channels just make recipes and do not show you how to use them. That is wrong. That is wrong. That is why a lot of people keep complaining. So this is my leave-in conditioner. I'll go in with my leave-in conditioner next, and this is to be used only on my strands. So as I was saying, some people complain that these things are not working for them. They are not working because you've not been told the right way to use them. A lot of people just come online to search for DIY products or sprays and oils and all, but then after making it, they'll just go ahead to spray on their hair and just go like that and just leave it. No, if you're my subscriber, you know that I don't do that. It is wrong for me to do that because you're not going to see results. And what is the essence of gathering subscribers that are not seeing results from your work? No, we don't do that over here. So I'll just do the same for the second side of my hair. This is just to add in moisture. Just know that this process is really important and you should not skip it at all. This is to add in moisture so your hair doesn't get dried up. Those DIY recipes really work. Like, we are not just lying about the benefits of these recipes. No, you can check them up online. Science even backs them up. Like, there are a lot of scientific backings to these things. So after using this leave-in conditioner, I will go ahead to seal in the moisture. Just know that we hydrated, we added in moisture, so now we're sealing in moisture with a butter. Some people use oils, but then I think butters are the best for sealing. Can you see how this just melted? Like, it's so nice. It's from my brand, by the way. If you want this, just let me know. Send me a DM to make your order on Instagram. Please don't forget your ends at all. Like I always say, my hair is supposed to be way longer than this. My hair was longer than this, but because I neglected my ends, I had to cut off a lot of my hair. So please don't ever neglect your ends at all. Just adding a little bit to my ends. And then that is it for sealing in the moisture. So right now, I'll just oil my scalp. This is the last step, really important. I'll just add in a little bit of oil. I love this so much because it has menthol in it, and that helps to stimulate hair growth. It helps with blood circulation on your scalp. So I'll just massage this into my scalp. If you love menthol, you will love this oil. So this was made based on other, and then I just decided to fetch in a little bit of it. Yeah, some people message me and ask me to make specific oils for them, and they give me specifications on what they want. So this particular person wanted menthol, and since I started using it, I observed that it is really nice on my scalp. My scalp loves it. So make sure to massage your scalp properly for about 5 minutes. Yeah, I massage my scalp every single day. I try as much as possible not to forget at all. It is really important not to forget. So after this, that is all actually. Can you see how easy it is to moisturize your hair? So please don't come and tell me that moisturizing your hair is just spraying water or just spraying all these other DIY recipes, like just this banana peel recipe. No, please. I just taught you the right way. Yes. So guys, that is it. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, do well to ask me in the comment section. I will respond. Yes, please ask me questions so that you will not be doing the wrong thing. Always ask me questions if you are lost about something. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.